Hi friends, today we are at
Thibve Palace.
Thibve Palace in Ratnagiri. So it's not that long from the city. It's like around 10 kilometers to 5 to 10 kilometers around the city, and it looks good. It's looking red, it's looking old, and it's looking good. You can see the space around. It's like very huge space. There's a Thibve point there, and we're gonna visit that point.
After this, completing this.
First we'll visit it because it's quite sunny out here, and visiting a point in this sun is a bit difficult. So here we guys, we'll come back to you once we visit the palace.
Bye.
And we're back. You can see this palace is closed. I don't know why. See, it's closed. There's nothing around here.
Maybe the doors from this side, maybe from wrong side. Maybe.
There was a board outside which read that the museum is at the back side. Probably we would have to go at the back side. So yes, we're back here now. So that's the museum. And I was right, that's there at the back. So we'll have to go in from here now. Okay. And then
There we can see the
inside. It's a museum, so probably they must have stored a few things in the past. So let's go in and check what's in there. Okay. So we are in here. This is the entrance. And there's a security check there, so we'll just see what it is. So there's a security check probably which does not work. It's not work. Stairs, beautiful stairs of the stars. Seems that there are quite a lot of corridors which we can get lost into. So we'll just see where this lane or this corridor heads to and where this thing takes us. So again we are seeing some closed doors. Okay, a few wires over here. Okay, so we have something right there. These officials are calling us there. So there are these officials who are calling us there. So we'll go there and check what it is.
Tattoo, teaching you the language of beats. Let's go.
We'll have to close this thing because the officials have said something, so we'll come back to you post this.
As we have completed the visit at Thibve Palace.
As Prem just said that we've just completed our visit to this museum, so we have finished looking into the museum. Very good place. So they have stored the heritage and whatever like it was. They've stored it in the same way. It's clean. Make sure you remove your shoes when you're entering.
Teaching you the language of
It's
beats.
right here. We should read this.
Let's go.
We didn't read it. We continued with the camera. The staff was quite polite and good. They just suggested that this is not allowed, and that's why we closed it. And like whatever the sculptures are in there, they are quite good. And like it reminds you of the history. It just gave you the background of this king. So from whatever I read inside it, the king was quite a humble king, I would say. He was more into religion, and he was a Buddhist king. But he did respect other religions, and there were pictures inside, like there were sculptures inside for other gods as well. Like he had temples, he made temples for Jains, he made temples for Muslims, he made temples for Hindus, for everyone, I would say. So that's the like he was quite humble and he respected all the religions across the world, whoever were there in his region. So yes, a good place to visit. It's a short journey inside the palace. The museum is not that big. The palace looks big, but the museum is quite small. They have closed off the other sections of this palace, probably for the good, because if more people visit in here, they would spoil the beauty of this palace, and which is not correct. So do visit if you're in Ratnagiri. Do visit this palace, Thibve Palace. It's very close to Ratnagiri station, I would say, and yes, it's quite beautiful. Do come here. That's what I would say about this palace. Cheers and thank you.
Tantu, teaching you the language of beats. It's called